Hi everyone, it's Evie again with another pour. Today I am doing a 2-cup pour with some metallics and turquoise colors. So I'm using this light turquoise color, an even lighter color, now a really dark blue-green, and I don't know if I'll use that blue-green or not, but I'm also using metallics. I'm using some copper. Oh, I did not mix up the bronze yet, but I'm also using a bronze. It's not quite mixed up. It still has some chunks in it. Now all these paints are mixed with a mixture of Floetrol and water, along with the paint, and some silicone. I don't know that I've added silicone yet, especially not to this one since this one's not even mixed up yet. So let's get this where it's not. I don't have a lot of this paint. You know what? I think this could use a little bit of water, a little bit more. It could be a little less thick, so let's see. Let's just add. So that's just a mixture of water and Floetrol mixed together that I'm putting in there. Let's get that all mixed up and out. Okay, so I think that's thin enough. Now let's add a couple drops of silicone. I'll just add one drop since I don't have a lot of paint in there. So this is the silicone I'm using. It's 3-in-1 all-temp silicone. And I'm going to put a drop in each color. I'll put a drop in the bronze, copper, and the gold. Okay, so just stir it slightly after I put the silicone in there. Oh, this one's extra liquidy. Consistency might be a little off there, and this one is a lot thicker. That's the gold. Mix in the silicone. Mix in the silicone, this lighter turquoise. This darker, this turquoise. I'm gonna mix in the silicone too. Okay, so that's mixed in. Oh, look, I think I spilled silicone on the canvas, which is not good because I want the canvas to be covered. So hopefully this is not gonna, if you see a big white spot right over here, you'll know why. Because I spilled silicone on it. Okay, so let's start with getting my cups filled in. I'm using 2 cups. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of bronze at the bottom of each of these cups. Okay. Not a lot, just a little. What color should I put in next? We'll put in a little of the light. The extra light turquoise, and a little bit of the darker turquoise. I don't have a lot of this paint. A lot of gold. So let's put in some gold. Okay. Some gold in both. I guess I will put in some of the dark. Well, let's put in the bronze. No, yeah, the bronze. I believe this is bronze. Okay, the bronze. Now the darker greenish bluish color, just a tiny bit. Okay, so now I am going to coat the canvas with some paint just so the rest of the paint can move around freer. Okay. Come on. Now let's get the sides covered too. Sides are getting covered. Let's get this canvas nicely coated. Okay, so, okay, there are my 2 cups. Am I gonna do a flip cup? Yeah, I did say I was gonna do flip cups, right? Now to pour. Yeah, let's do flip cups. So, let's get an extra canvas and we'll do a flip cup. Here's the canvas, and this canvas is covered in plastic, so where is my flippy cup? My flippy cup. Okay, so here are my 2 now let's get the wet canvas on top of it. Now let's flip it. 1, 2, 3, flip. Okay. Ooh, yes. Got this one. Where is my bronze? I wanted to see bronze. I see no bronze in any of these. No bronze. Where's my bronze? So you know what? I'm gonna put some bronze on this canvas. I see no bronze. Okay, so let's not spill my bronze. Let's tip it. Oh, I love this. This looks so good. I wish I didn't have to lose any of it, but it looks like I might lose some of it. Oh, okay, I see some bronze. That's why I like multiple cups, because each cup looks different, so if one color doesn't show up in one cup, it may show up in another cup. Okay, I don't want to lose this blue-green. I like that blue-green. Oh man, I think it looks so good. I love the bronze. Oh gosh, I think that looks so good. Gonna add some more bronze in here. Okay, tip a little more. Okay, thank you for watching.